What's up, everybody? We have another quick video today because I'm still trying to pick this RV up. If any of you guys know anything about Ford 460 motors and where in the world the oil pressure sensor or switch, I don't know the difference between those three on this motor. If you know what that is, let me know in the comments. It's a 97. It's different than the 96s. It's crazy what's going on. Anyway, so I gotta hurry up. But I wanted to give y'all video. So first up, we have this DeWalt deal going on at Home Depot. So you get this starter kit, the charger and 3 amp hour battery. You get to choose from 3 different tools. You get the drywall screw gun, orbital sander, or the atomic oscillating tool or oscillating multi-tool or the multi-tool. So you get to choose between those. So 149, and you'll have battery, charger, and one of these. The interesting thing, I wouldn't run out to get this oscillating tool. Personally, I still feel like this one from Amazon that I showed you guys the other day is a much better deal at 121. This battery though, I'm almost positive it's a 1.5 amp hour battery. But honestly, for the oscillating tool, that'd be fine. I mean, I would recommend getting some other batteries too, but I think that'll be okay really for what you're doing. These don't usually eat up a lot of battery, like not my experience anyway. But yeah, the XR is a little more powerful than the Atomic, and just it's cheaper, 120, 152. The only difference between the two, again, the Atomic is not as powerful, and you're getting a bigger battery. So I'll just leave that up to you and what you want to do. The other two tools are good. They're good tools. You can even look at the reviews, especially the orbital sander. As far as like Milwaukee and all that, you comparing it to, this is from my research over the years. This is a much better orbital sander. So there you go with that. Now it's a little different today uh, because I have pictures. So I was at Home Depot yesterday, messing around. Had to drive all the way to Wichita trying to get stuff for this for this RV, and I had to stop in Home Depot. So that's where I saw this. And I also wanted to go and confirm. I was trying to post it while I was out. I don't know, my phone was acting up, and I couldn't post it to the group. I couldn't post it on YouTube or anything. But I wanted to confirm that the rigid boxes, yeah, man, they're cheaper than what they're advertising online. So go or run out to a Home Depot and see. Somebody else posted and confirm under that video too. And I'll send a link to that video so you can go see what I'm talking about. That they confirmed that yeah, it's really 1998 where they live too, and it's 1998 even in Kansas. So it's probably safe to say this is the price everywhere. So you want a tool storage system, boy, go out there and get it now. Another thing I noticed while I was out there, Ridgid has some new boxes. Very similar to the Milwaukee. And I apologize, this came out blurry. Some dudes right there acting like I wasn't there. And like they literally put this Milwaukee box right in front of me while I was taking a picture. And so that's why it's probably a little blurry. I must have moved or something. But yeah, so this is the inside. So it's just like the Milwaukee box, that larger one that sits on the bottom. And yeah, that's just kind of all that you get on the inside. I feel like this is a little underwhelming, but you know, yeah. And this box is, what was it? We had the price right here, $69, 69.97. Now, if we go and look at the Milwaukee equivalent, the Milwaukee looks like it's probably bigger. Here we are. I know this Milwaukee box is, look at this. I knew it was ridiculous. 264. So, for a whole $200 off, you can have, where is it? Nah, I took a picture of it. You can have this Ridgid. Now, I mean, that's ridiculous. I don't even understand that. So let's try to look this up on Home Depot's website because honestly, I was trying to look up it was hard for me to find the DeWalt deal. There we go. Yeah. All right, so let's check the differences between this 69.97 box and this 264. The Milwaukee is 38 inches, whereas this was 28 inches. So yeah, I mean, you can see that it's noticeably smaller, but it does interlock with the. You see them right here with the rigid boxes. Oh yeah, okay, I see. So it just rolls in a different way, because if you set the old box on top of it, you see the latch is right here and the latch right here. On the Milwaukee, you can set two boxes, beside each other. So that's why this is. I still don't feel like it justifies $264. Where this is 69, they could have made a 38-inch version, and how much would it cost for the extra 10 inches? Surely maybe another what, $34, half the price of this. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that that was out. I didn't know. I never seen it before. It was my first time. And that's today's video. Quick and simple. See you guys next time.